Are you looking to automate lead generation and store customer data completely hands-free? Today's video is going to show you how to combine Zapier WebHooks with BotPress so you can set this up and streamline your processes like never before. By putting this system in place, you can gather a ton of customer information without needing to do anything yourself. Instead, you can spend more time on important insights and smart decision-making to benefit your business. First, you want to head to your BotPress dashboard and create a new variable. Make sure your variable type is set to Boolean and add it into the workflow properties. Now, create a new node and add in a text module to welcome the customer. Next, you want the node to start collecting customer information, starting with the customer's name. Add in the person name module and customize the question to whatever you desire. Once you're happy with the question, create a variable within the module and call this name. Repeat this same process for any customer information you require. In this example, I have asked the customer for their name, address, and contact email. After obtaining your customer's details, you can start the lead with an opening question. To do this, insert the raw input module and ask the customer what brought them to your store today. Again, you want to save this as a new variable. This one can be known as question. Once BotPress has collected your customer's data, you need to convert this information into code so it can be sent over to Zapier. To do this, insert the execute code module and click on the right side of the screen to make edits. You now have to input the data you have just created in a code script format. If you are unsure how to do this, feel free to pause the video and copy what I have written in this example. When you get to this section down here, you need to connect a Zapier URL so that your chatbot knows where to send the information. To access your Zapier URL, go to the Zapier dashboard and create a new Zap. You now want to click on the webhook built-in tool and change the event to catch a hook. Your webhook URL will then be generated in the test section, which you can now copy and paste into the code module on BotPress. Lastly, add an expression module to complete the node. Call this label Zapier Test True, and you should see the condition be generated in the field below. Connect your node to the end to finish setting up the chatbot. Head back over to Zapier and test your trigger. In the BotPress dashboard, give your chatbot a trial run to see it is responding the way you want it to. Fill out all the questions as if you were the customer and make any changes if necessary. Once you are happy with the results, retry testing the trigger in Zapier and you should be able to identify your data. Now when you continue, you can automatically store this data by connecting your Google Sheets account. However, before you connect your account to Zapier, open a blank document in Google Sheets and create a row with all the titles you programmed into your chatbot earlier. Go back to Zapier and change the event field to create spreadsheet row. Connect your Google Sheets account, your Google Drive account, and connect the spreadsheet you just made. Match all your Google Sheet titles to the chatbot variables you created earlier. Do this for every field so that your settings are completely filled out. Now, when you test the action and take a look in your Google Sheets document, you will see the data has been automatically filled out and assigned to their correct category. Head back into Zapier and publish your Zap. Congratulations! You now have a fully operating AI automated data collection process. I would advise going back to BotPress and giving your chatbot one more test just to ensure everything is running smoothly. This tool can be super handy for businesses who want to collect data from their customer, so I hope you found this video useful.